Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Z-Face and I'm back with another video.
Okay.
So guys, today's video is something totally different. It's not a makeup tutorial, it's not a hair tutorial, it's not a vlog. I'm just going to sit down and talk with you guys why I haven't uploaded a video in 1 month straight, or why I didn't upload any video, no content, YouTube, Instagram, nothing for a month. So I'm just here to bring you guys all the gist and what has been happening. Okay, if you're wondering why I look this good, I just finished recording a video for this look. I'm going to leave the link to the video down in the description box. That is if I upload that video before this one, because it's like the same day that I recorded it too. I'm just going to decide which one I upload first. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please make sure you click the subscribe button. Subscribe, please. You guys should subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at zenita_Tibochick. Okay. So guys, I think this is basically a story time because everything that happened it was in the past. So the first thing that happened to me was acne. So when I'm talking, I'm just going to leave pictures so that you guys can see what I'm talking about. I had what they call acne. This acne was serious acne, like it was not even plain. I'm coming from somewhere that I will not say I have never had this type of acne. If I want to have acne, it's just like very, very like small, just you have one pimple on your face. It's not really serious. But this time around, it was bad. It happened about 1.5 months ago. That was the first stage of depression. I was depressed. My friends were asking me, and whenever I upload a picture, that was the worst part of it. When I put a picture of my WhatsApp status, everybody's just going to be like, what happened to your face? What's happening to your face? Are you all right? Are you okay? And then to top it all, my dad noticed it even. How would you even notice something like that? I didn't really think that he used to always look at my face. That time, one day we were going out, he was sitting in front of the car. When I entered, he turned and looked like, what's that on your face? Oh my god, that was it. I was like, Jesus Christ, I'm not going to go out again. I'm not going to record any videos. So this thing just goes away because I really feel a type when recording videos, like makeup videos in my skin like this. First of all, before putting makeup on your face, you need to have this confidence in your natural self first before putting on makeup or whatever. That confidence I didn't have it. Okay, so I couldn't even record any video at that time. I was like, if this acne doesn't go, no video. If you're struggling with acne as well and you're watching this video, no offense to you. I really hope you don't find this offensive, or you don't find this video offensive. That is just the way I was feeling. I kind of went back to my skincare routine because I felt like maybe it's because I wasn't taking care of my skin for a while. So I went back to start doing my skincare routine all over. It became worse. The acne was getting dry, the new ones were coming up, the marks were like mixing up with the new generation pimple. Guys, it was not easy for me. That was one of the reasons why I couldn't even upload any video. After that, I felt sick. The sickness started with just light cold and cough. So I thought, no, it was nothing serious, because I was really feeling like, no, let this acne not stop me from being consistent. When I was like, okay, today I'm going to record a video, acne or no acne, I had a cold and a cough, and I thought it was going to go away. I thought maybe, no, this is just normal flu that somebody will normally have. I took drugs for about a week. I was feeling better, I was feeling strong. The next week, things went worse. I was feeling weak, my body was paining, everything was just happening to me. During that time, we had the pandemic breakout. Everything was just so bad. I was trying to grow my beauty page. If you're not following my beauty page, Z-Face Beauty on Instagram, I always post my client stuff there. So I was trying to grow my beauty house. I was trying to upload videos and pictures there, trying to upload on YouTube. Everything was just so bad, because at that point I was sick. I couldn't do anything, like nothing. And then the funniest thing was, it was at that point people wanted to come for makeup classes. People were just calling, hey, I want to come learn makeup, are you free? Blah blah blah. Guys, it was not even easy. With all the things that were happening around me, I was just feeling so depressed, and I was feeling so bad because I knew that I was losing money. Like, I had clients calling me to install their wigs, do their makeup. and I couldn't do anything because I wasn't feeling well. So depression set in. I was feeling that, oh, I'm just going to go broke. I'm not working with my clients, I don't have students, I'm just lying down here feeling very, very bad. I'm not doing YouTube videos, none of my goals, I'm not even doing anything to achieve my dream. So it was a very, very difficult time for me, guys, and I won't even lie. I just sat sometimes and I started crying, and I was sick for about 2 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks. Cold took away my voice, so I couldn't like really speak well. I did a video on how I installed my wig, and most of you even heard my voice and you guys were like, oh, sorry about your voice. So I was fine at that time. I couldn't still record because I was feeling very, very down still. It was just like thinking at that time, people are there creating, you're sitting, you're doing nothing, you're just doing nothing. This is also one thing that happens, guys. When you think a lot, you tend not to do anything. Like when you're thinking that, oh, I'm not doing this, I'm not doing that, I'm not doing this, you just start feeling depressed and you're not even going to do anything that you want to do at the point. So what I did was I just told myself, okay, fine, it's been 1 month and you've rested for 1 month, and I think 1 month is enough time for me to rest. I just told myself, okay, what is making me feel depressed? I looked at the particular things that were making me feel depressed was the acne, sickness. I was not sick anymore, and the fact that I wasn't being creative. I just had to take a break from YouTube, Instagram, you know, take in new air. Whew. This is what you have to do. Why you need to take a break. You need to sit back and look at the things you want to do, a step at a time. So I just had to sit up because my back was already paining me. I don't know if I should want my clothes. Start feeling bad, you're not going to do anything, you're just going to sit there and be feeling depressed. So the first thing that I had to attack was the acne, since it was the first thing that brought in problem in my life. I used the turmeric mask. I'm going to do a video of that, like how I cleared my acne. I'm going to do that video, I promise. My acne went away. If you can see from my previous videos, at least my face even looks better, and then the sickness had already gone away, so I didn't have to attack that anymore. The next part was having my students back and my clients back. One thing I thank God was that the students were really waiting for me to finish with my rest, and I still had my clients back, although some had gone to other places. Then going back to creativity, I was just feeling like, no, I need to arrange some things in my life before I start creating. First of all, I always use backdrops on my videos, and that was like a big problem for me. Like anytime I want to record a video, I'll have to hang a backdrop. Okay, like it's a must. I must hang a backdrop because my room wasn't really looking the way it was looking now. I think I'm going to do a video on how I transformed my very old room, so you guys can see everything, like understand what I'm really talking about. My room wasn't really the best, you know, to take videos anywhere. Like I'm taking videos anywhere now. There must be a need for a backdrop. Like when I think about the fact that, oh, so I have to put up a backdrop, I have to start arranging things, and before I record, I'll just feel very weak and I'm not going to record. So what I did was I just changed the setting of my room, made my room to be YouTube friendly, so that when I'm recording, I can record at any time. I don't need to put up any backdrop, or if I want to put up any backdrop, it's because I want to, you know, change the way I want my videos to be looking. Moral of this story, if you feel depressed at any time, okay, you just stay away from your work or whatever. It must not be YouTube or Instagram. Just stay away from it. Look at the thing that is making you feel depressed. Because for me, I was feeling depressed because I had acne. I was feeling depressed because I was sick. I was feeling depressed because I couldn't create content. Like all those things were happening and I couldn't create content. And then the fact that I had to put on backdrops all the time. So I had to attack my acne. I had to attack the sickness. Like I had to remove all those things out. And for the creativity part, I had to change my room and everything just so that I could not put a backdrop anytime I want to upload a YouTube video. Like I can upload my videos anywhere, and I think that helped me a lot, because after doing all of that, I was just feeling like creating again. If anything is making you feel depressed, look at the main thing that is making you feel that way and try to tackle it, try to solve it before you continue. Because if you sit back and you're feeling only depressed, I tell you, you're not going to do anything. You're going to do nothing. It's okay to feel depressed. It's okay to feel that way. It's okay to feel like you're not creating. You're feeling that, oh, I'm not doing the right thing. I'm not achieving my goals. I'm not getting to my dreams. It's okay to feel that way. It's okay to even cry. It's okay. But the problem is, after crying or after feeling depressed, make sure you tackle the problem. Make sure you look at what was making you feel depressed and you handle it, or else you're going to stay feeling depressed. You're going to keep on crying always, okay, and it's not going to help you and you're not going to achieve your goals at any time. But I'm happy I'm out of the depression and all of that. I'm so glad I'm out of it. I'm happy I shared this with you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys are fine and safe out there. If you're feeling depressed, make sure you tackle the problem or the main thing that is making you feel depressed, guys, and I guess it's going to be fine. Or just take a break from whatever thing you're doing, or be it makeup, I don't know, whatever thing. I can think a lot of makeup right now, but anything at all, anything you're doing. So that's it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, click on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I do an upload. Okay, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys. Mwah.
And you buy one thing, they go on buy two. Always making sure that they're better than you. But as you, they do me, go do you. You cannot steal my joy. Moo, moo.